Hello, my name is Samuel William. Welcome to any dollars when I post anything that's related to money making online. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Payoneer account on your mobile device. The first thing you need to do is to go to your phone, Google, that is called Chrome, and you are going to type payoneer.com, or you can type only Payoneer, and they are going to bring it for you here. You can see. I'm going to type it Payoneer. This is it, Payoneer. You are going to click it now. You can see. So the first this thing can see sign up and N25. So I'm logging in to our Payoneer account. You can see. Can see how do you pay and get paid, get started. So I'm going to click the menu icon by my right hand side here. You can see if you look at the bottom down, you are going to see get started, and under that already have an account sign in. So I'm signing in. I'm not creating any account, so I want to sign in now. You can see my account, log into Payoneer account. Then you can see I'm going to click this one, going to sign in. And see, that is how you are going to sign in. I'm going to copy the code now. You can see this is the code I'm at the top here. I'm going to copy it and paste it to my phone, to my Payoneer account, and I'm going to submit it. I'm going to submit the code. You can see submitting. And once they are able to verify your Payoneer account, they are going to sign you in successfully. You can see I even have taken a notification. So this is my account. You can see. I see that this is my account that I've been able to sign in successfully to my account, and this is how you are going to sign in successfully to your Payoneer account. And I hope this works too, and by this can be able to use for your Payoneer account for anything. And if you want to watch my other video on how you can maybe close your PayPal account, how to earn $1,000, $500 per month on daily basis, you can click on that video now. The link is on this video. Just click on that and you are going to watch the video. I'm going to see you in that video. Peace.